Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. $1 million opportunity. Ideas that make people say, wait, somebody actually got rich from that. Spoiler alert, yes, sometimes success starts with one strange ideas, one tiny problems, or one what if. $1 million opportunities don't always begin with giant factories or complicated inventions. Sometimes they begin with a funny idea, one useful solution, or one simple question. What problem can I solve today? Remember, a big success often starts small, and sometimes the world laughs before it applauds. $1 million opportunity are often hidden inside or ordinary problems. The secret is noticing what people need, enjoying, or struggle with daily. Remember, a simple idea plus consistency plus creativity, powerful possibilities. 1. Food delivery apps. Hungry people love fast meals without leaving home. 2. Pet clothing. Tiny jackets for tiny dogs created a huge profit. 4. Phone cases. People protect phones like royalty protects treasure. 4. Portable fans. Small gadgets bring big happiness during hot days. 5. Online tutoring. Teaching from home became a worldwide opportunity. 6. Reusable water bottles. Eco-friendly products continue growing globally. 7. Coffee shops. People buy coffee and stay for the atmosphere. 8. Fitness apps. Phone now reminds people to move their legs. 9. Digital stickers. Funny online stickers became a real business. 10. Ring lights. Good lighting turns a bedroom into a mini studio. 11. Custom t-shirts. Creative designs help people express personality. 12. Gaming accessories. Games love improving comfort and performance. 13. Language learning apps. Learning new languages became easier and portable. 14. Online thrift stores. Second-hand fashion became trendy and practical. 15. Home workout equipment. People exercise without gym membership. 16. Smartphone repair services. One crack screen can become business income. 17. Subscription boxes. People enjoy surprise packages every month. 18. Travel blogs. Sharing adventures online inspires global audiences. 19. Baking businesses. Fresh cookies can attract entire neighborhoods. 20. Mini plants. Small plants make desks feel alive and peaceful. 21. Noise cancelling headphone. Silence became a premium luxury.